Hello guys, it's me, Jasper, and I'm back for another tutorial on how to fold an origami heart. I'm sorry I don't have one right here, but it's just going to look really cool and stuff. I'm going to use this pink paper here that I got, and this model, again, is going to be super easy. So, without further ado, let's get to folding. Okay, the first thing we do is we fold in half. So, fold in half. Like this. So, yay! It's going to be super exciting and cool. Make sharp creases. And fold in half again. So we get a fourth of a paper. And now we get a fifth of an origami paper. Okay? So it's 1/5 of a piece of origami paper. Now we just fold, just kind of round this off on your desk. It's going to be really thick probably. And you're just going to want to round off the bottom a little bit. Just round it off until you can just fold it with a nice, pretty fold. And now we're just going to just kind of curve. Now we're going to unfold and fold these flaps here to that crease. Oh my god. And don't make the crease all the way through. Just kind of bend it a little bit. And then kind of fold to that crease. And again, just kind of bend it a little. Okay, now you just fold it. Hold like this. Open this. And you want to just kind of stick this in like that. Kind of shut it. And just kind of collapse it. Oops. It's going to take practice, but should be able to get it in there. So let's see. You might want to just fold this here down a little bit like that. Just kind of stick it in that pocket there. Just kind of just fold it down like that. And just kind of stick it in there. And your heart is done. Hopefully it stayed together. And you enjoyed this tutorial. A simple heart is done. And goodbye! Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you like this video, then give it a like! Because I hope you were able to make this. And yeah, heart to all of you. Goodbye!